Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your USDT from Phantom Wallet to Binance. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and avoid any common pitfalls. Why bother? Well, Binance offers great trading options, and moving your assets quickly can help you capitalize on market opportunities. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it has some USDT in it. If you're new, download it from the official App Store and set up your wallet securely. Once you're in, open the Phantom app and navigate to your assets. Look for USDT. That's the stablecoin we're transferring. Next, head over to Binance. Log into your account, go to the Wallet section and select Deposit. Choose USDT as the asset, and make sure to pick the right network. In 2025, networks like Solana or Ethereum might be popular, so double-check that it matches what Phantom uses to avoid lost funds. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to make any typos. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, hit the Send button. Paste the Binance address into the recipient field, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and review the transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Before you confirm, double-check everything. Wrong addresses are a common mistake that can lead to permanent loss. Hit Confirm, and you'll see the transaction processing. This might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the network. Once it's done, hop back to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. And just like that, you're all set. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. If you run into any issues, reach out to support or check community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.